birthday, boo. I don't want to kiss you because then I'm going to get lipstick all over you. Get it on you! You're telling me to kiss him.
We love you, Nick.
Bye, Trinity. Bye, Brandon. Colorado, make some noise for Trinity and Brandon, please. Happy birthday, Honeypie. Okay. Brandon was 10 years old and was able to convince me to kiss him. If that's not a player in the making, I don't know what is. I have one more thing to do before I leave here, you guys. I hope you know it.
baby, to your first concert with your older sisters. Hi. Love you, baby.
What time is it?
It's time for Tiffy to get sober. What time is it, baby girl? You said go.
Time to go get faded.